Cheese.
Cheese. Be careful. You don't want it to fall back. Remember last time you stood on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna ride it?
Yeah. Ride it.
Ride it. Let me see you pedal. Let me see you pedal. Wow, you can pedal fast. There you go. Clothes are hanging. There you go. Back it up, turn it around. Wow, you are a good driver, Miles. Yeah, I gotcha. Whoa! Crash! Crash!
Here. Mud.
What? Uh-oh, watch out for Kitty. Watch out for Kitty. Whoa! Is that the washing machine? Whoa, 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 whoa! Be careful. Yeah, careful. Yay! Uh-oh. That's okay, I got it.
A cat.
Yes, that's the cat, you're right. I don't know what the cat did with it. Here you go.
Yeah.
Did you go to Booger Nose?
No.
Yeah. Mimi gonna wipe your booger nose? Yes?
Papa, no.
Yeah? It's okay. Everybody gets booger noses. Huh? I see you. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There he is. There's my Miles. You're too cute. Hey, can you make like an elephant?
Yeah.
What does the elephant do?
Ooh.
Yes, he does with his big long nose, huh? With his trunk.
Bite.
What does the monkey do?
Ooh.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Ooh.
So what the monkey does? What does the monkey do with his hands? Yes, he does. That's right. You're too cute. God bless you.